Glenn, officials, they are especially concerned with the upcoming Super Bowl game. They say that could turn into a massive super spreader event with large gatherings. They say LA County still has a long way to go in containing this virus. A sharp decline in the 7-day average of daily positive cases, a drop in hospitalization rates, also a decrease in daily average COVID deaths. LA County health officials say the numbers are once again headed in a more hopeful direction, days after officials lifted the regional stay-at-home order, reinstated back in November following the alarming coronavirus holiday surge. Now the focus remains on vaccines, getting as many people as possible immunized following California's delay in the distribution and administering of COVID vaccines.
As of earlier this week, 662,963 doses of vaccine have been administered within LA County. Of this amount, about 544,000 doses were administered for first vaccinations.
LA County is pushing to open up more vaccination sites, especially in underserved areas, with the concern about the small number of healthcare workers being vaccinated in places like South LA.
This map shows us where healthcare workers who received at least one dose of the vaccine lived. It's broken down by zip code. And you can see that clearly people who were vaccinated, healthcare workers were vaccinated all across the county. But you also can see in some of the lighter areas, we have pockets where small numbers of people only have been vaccinated. One of those areas is in South LA.
California is getting a boost in its vaccine efforts with the help of health insurance giant Blue Shield of California, now tapped to assist with expediting the state's COVID vaccine delivery system. The company's role involves not just the ramping up of vaccine deliveries, but ensuring shipments are quickly sent in an equitable way to nearly 40 million residents by allocating doses directly to providers like pharmacies, public and private health networks, and hospitals, in addition to pop-up sites and community health centers. Health officials just confirmed today that the South Africa coronavirus variant has now arrived in the U.S. with 2 documented and unrelated cases in South Carolina. Health experts added neither of the diagnosed patients had recently traveled within or outside the country. Researchers indicated last week that initial signs show vaccines may not be as effective in some of the recent mutations that have been discovered. The nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, also revealing this week the pandemic could get even worse with the arrival of new variants originating in places like the United Kingdom with more contagious strains. Now, Dr. Fauci also said earlier this week that the U.S. will be in a much better position to fight this virus with the arrival, the approval of more vaccines, and we could be steps closer to that. This afternoon, we're learning that biotech firm Novavax is reporting that its vaccine so far, this is based on early trials in the United Kingdom, that its vaccine is nearly 90% effective in fighting coronavirus. And not so good news, they say the big concern is that so far it hasn't been that effective in treating the variant first discovered in South Africa. That's the latest in Hollywood. Corinne Winter, KTLA 5 News.